Yeah, you can see the girl coming from a mile away. She got her big wheels turning, she got Oklahoma